Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran and today's video we will be creating this beautiful glassy dewy makeup skin. So I've also complemented this look with beautiful red lip and perfect subtle eyes. So if you want to know how I've created this look, then continue watching. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. If you are watching my video for the first time, then hi, I make videos related to skincare, makeup and hauls. So let's get started. First up, I'm using this chia seed moisturizer. This is a very hydrating moisturizer. All the products that I'm using today are super hydrating and are very good for dry skin mostly. Next up, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Hydrating Primer, applying it on the T-zone area, and I'm just gonna massage it really well into my skin. Before layering up any product, give at least like 5 minutes of gap. Next, I'm using this pack orange corrector. Now you guys know that I love this corrector so much that no matter how many correctors I use, I always end up using this one because it's my favorite. As usual, just applying it in the areas. As usual, I'm just applying this in the areas wherever I have pigmentation, and then I'm just blending this out really well. Next, we are using a new product here, that is the K Beauty foundation. Now I want to talk about this foundation. This is a sheer to medium sort of a coverage foundation, and this foundation gives you very nice glow, dewiness, and it's super hydrating on the skin. It literally feels like your second skin. Does not feel very discomforting or heavy on the skin. It's super lightweight and amazing. Now this foundation looks fantastic on people who have a dry skin. If you're looking for a foundation, this is the one you should pick. For concealer, I'm using the same K Beauty concealer in the shade 180p tan. I'm using the concealer on the under eye area, on the eyelids, and then I'm building this. Now the concealer has very medium sort of a coverage, I can say that, yeah. Alright, next we will see how the foundation and concealer looks like on my skin. You guys can see it is already giving this beautiful glow and hydration, but we will add a little more dewiness onto my face, for which I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer. So I'm applying this illuminating moisturizer like a strobe on the highest points of my face. Like wherever I use my highlighter, that's where I'm using this product as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the same product on the tip of the nose, start of the nose. This is giving me a beautiful golden kind of a shine on my face, which complements my skin tone beautifully, and also on the cupid's bow and the chin. Okay, so now what we'll do is let's start up with the eye makeup. But guys, look at my skin. It is like literally glowing so nicely. Alright, let's start with the eye makeup now. So for eye makeup, I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up this beautiful light pink eyeshadow, and I'm applying it on my eyelids. I'm just using one single eyeshadow and I'm applying it on the complete eyelid area with a big fluffy brush. Now the brush I'm using here is from ProArt. The number is PE22. Alright, let's do the same thing on the other side of the eye. Just concentrating first on the outer corner, then I'm applying the entire eyeshadow on my eyelids like so. Okay, now I'm just applying a gel liner. This is a Maybelline gel liner. If you're wondering how the gel liner is so dark and pigmented, I'll tell you guys. But here, right now I'm doing a wing liner here. So I'm just drawing a basic liner first, and then we'll concentrate on the wing. So once I'm done with that, from my lower waterline, I'm just creating a guideline towards the end of my eyebrow, and then connecting it back to the basic eyeliner that I've created. Okay, so I was telling you guys that the eyeliner looks very pigmented and jet black because I used 2 to 3 drops of Inglot's Duraline in this, which makes the eyeliner look so nice and black. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side of my eye. I'm just picking up a little bit of product, drawing a basic eyeliner, And then I'm just gonna create a wing starting from the lower waterline all the way. I'm just taking the guideline towards the end of my eyebrow, like so. Now I'm just gonna get the liner reversed and connect it to the basic liner that I've drawn. Okay, so we are done with the liner here. Now I don't want to use any sort of kajal. So if you guys want to, then you can definitely do that. But I'm picking up the same eyeshadow and just smudging a little bit on the lower lash line area. So the eye look looks perfect and balanced. So I'm not doing much on my eyes. I'm gonna keep my eyes very simple because we will be doing a bold lip. Alright, once we are done with this, let's start curling up my lashes. I'm using the Gub lash curler. Today I didn't want to wear any falsies, so I've just curled my lashes 30 seconds on each side and then we'll coat it with mascara. So for mascara, I'm using the Swiss Beauty mascara. This is a very nice, affordable mascara. Also gives a little bit of volume to your lashes. I went 2 to 3 coats. And now I'm doing the same on the lower lash line as well. Okay. Next, I'm just going to use a blush. For blush, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics blush in the shade Coral. I'm warming up the product first on the back of my hand and then I'll pick up a brush and then apply the product on my cheeks. Like so. Okay, we'll be doing the same thing on the other side of my face as well. Next, I'm going to set my face. So I'm using this Mars translucent powder. So actually I am in love with this powder. It's a very nice powder, but I'm just setting only the T-zone area. That means a little bit of my forehead, under eyes, sides of the nose and mouth area where I have smile lines. That's about it. Rest, I'm gonna let the skin be on the products because I want my skin to look very nice, dewy and glowy. Okay, and finally we are gonna start up with our lip, for which I'm using a Swiss Beauty lip liner, and I'm just gonna start outlining my lip. Okay, so once I'm done outlining my lip, I'm gonna use a beautiful lipstick from Maybelline. Again, the shades and the links are in the description, so you guys can directly click on it and purchase whatever you want. Okay, so this lipstick is so gorgeous. You guys look at the shade. It's so nice. So I was about to say it's so yummy, but actually the lipstick shade is very, very nice, and especially on my skin tone, it was looking very perfect and beautiful. Alright, so once I'm done with this, now I'm gonna take a Swiss Beauty highlight and contour palette, and I did apply a little bit of contour, and wherever I've applied strobe, I have applied a little bit of highlighter on that. I did give, like, good 5 to 10 minutes for the strobe to settle down on my skin, and then I went in with a highlighter. If you directly go in with a highlighter, it might make your base a little patchy. So this is the final look, you guys. If you want me to create more such looks, then let me know. Also let me know if you guys want me to create nice bold eye looks or simple ones like this. Take care, bye.